My name's Scott Wagler. I'm a partner here at Josslin Insurance. It's our family brokerage, and I'm the director of operations. We have 8 locations, primarily in the Waterloo region, but we have a couple of offices further to the east or to the west and to the north. So 8 locations, 100 people. I want to grow. I want to outperform. And I can't do any of that without equipping our folks with the tools that are going to enable them to do it. And that was our single biggest challenge. Where do we go? What's the tool? What are the tools that are going to help us do that? And we landed with Applied Epic. And honestly, we think we made the right decision. Previously, the systems that we used either didn't talk to one another, or we were doing a lot of manual magic in the back end. And quite honestly, I don't like to do that. I like to be able to pull a report. Our people know where the report's coming from. They can understand it because they are actually developing it, unbeknownst to them, because it's just part of their day-to-day activity. Biggest deal that drove our decision to go to Applied was scale. We need to grow, and not by a little bit, by a lot of it. To do that, we needed a system that was robust enough to do it, could come with us on that journey, and actually could provide some guidance for us as we grew. Because quite honestly, we do insurance. We do not do applications.
My name is Sinnamon. I work for Josslin Insurance Brokers. One of the big goals that we have in Josslin, that is one of our core competencies, is simplicity. So having Applied Epic available with integrations to all of our other services that we use has been very crucial in feeling successful in that part of our organization. Another benefit of Epic is the ability to create those relationships within the account and the ability to be able to see kind of the full picture of a client. You can have a personal lines account and an associated commercial account, and it is easy to be able to navigate back and forth between those different accounts and make those associations so that it's kind of a big picture within Epic, and it makes it easier for the staff to understand the full needs of a client.